have a quota to hit, ladies. Keep those rivets flying. America is counting on us.
Clear the area.
We're good up here, lowering the bundle now.
Check the manifest on the next car. Check the deflection at this weld point. No microfractures visible under the scope.
Inside the curing tunnel, infrared heat lamps accelerate the drying process, ensuring the olive drab finish
The assembly begins with the machined engine blocks. Workers install the main bearing caps, ensuring every bolt meets the
torque specification met. Center bearing secure. Moving outward, next sequence confirmed.
Once the rings are compressed, the assembly is carefully tapped into the bore. The connecting rod is then secured to the crankshaft journal.
Center bolt 1, 45 Newton meters.
Confirmed. Center out, 980.
Verified.
Okay, cross pattern sequence initiated. Ensure even compression across the gasket.
Torquing the final bolts now. Drain plug secured.
Generator bolts are torqued.
Tension is set.
Make sure the firing order matches the diagram before we move it.
Torque sequence initiated. Center bolts to 45 foot-pounds. Checking spiral pattern. All values confirmed.
Make sure the dowels are seated. Torquing the perimeter now. Check the rotation.
The camera tracks along the line as workers press the kingpin bushings and install the steering knuckles. Retaining hardware.
After the wheel cylinders are mounted, the brake drums are slid over the shoes and secured to the hubs, torqued to specification.
Here we see the heavy-duty leaf springs being mounted. The U-bolts are torqued in a precise cross-pattern sequence to ensure maximum clamping force.
The frame-to-axle assembly is a critical stage, ensuring the precise marriage of the painted frame and the suspension components.
Okay, pump it up and hold it. All right, opening the bleeder now. Got some air. Okay, closed. You got a firm pedal? Yeah, solid.
The fuel tank is secured using military specification straps, torqued precisely to the chassis frame.
Watch the clearance on the manifold. Bring it down another inch.
Looks aligned. Starting the front bolts now.
Hit it with the impact wrench.
Caps are secured. Check the rear.
Looks good. Smooth rotation.
All right, witness mark applied.
Torque set on the manifold connection.
Secure the heat shield now. Mind the fuel lines.
Clearance is adequate.
Check the beam pattern template. We need that precise cutoff for the military specification.
Okay, voltage check is good. System test initiated.
Headlights and signals are operational.
Engaging the starter now. Sounds good.
We have ignition. Oil pressure is steady. No leaks on the fuel lines.
The fabrication area is a symphony of precision. Press brakes shape the steel, while spot welding guns wrap it.
Following rigorous surface preparation, the cabs enter the pressurized booth, where the iconic olive drab finish is applied in.
A little to the left. Okay, easy down. Watch the pins. Clear. Start the wrenches.
Run the test cycle. Check the park position.
Cycle complete. Sealant looks solid on this side. Fluid levels checked and compliant.
Torque specs verified. Systems check complete.
All right, sign it off.
Stivers. A final, meticulous cleaning ensures every vehicle meets the highest standards.
Paperwork is squared away on this batch. Next convoy moves out at 0800.
Yes, sir. We're loading the rail cars now.
It was the unparalleled might of American production and the superiority of our logistics that ultimately guaranteed the Allied.
From raw steel blanks through cutting, heat treating, and grinding, every component is meticulously inspected to ensure reliable transmission operation.
Every wire is cut to precise length and rigorously tested to ensure reliable electrical connections for the truck systems.
In this comprehensive quality control laboratory, rigorous testing ensures every component meets exacting military specifications for reliability.
Watch the weld pool closely, keep the angle consistent.
Now, regarding emergency procedures, remember that quality is everyone's responsibility.
Here in the fastener manufacturing area, automated machines cut and form thousands of bolts through cold heading.
From core assembly to final inspection, every step is critical. The completed radiators are pressure tested to
The careful calibration ensures drivers receive accurate information about vehicle operating conditions.
The North Africa reports suggest we need heavier gauge steel on the undercarriage.
We can implement that on the next batch, but these are ready for transfer now.
Keep it moving, driver!
Next 3 on ramp 4. Watch your spacing.
The audio is a dynamic soundscape of a WWII military operation. It features the loud...
All right, keep it moving. Don't stop until you hit the depot. Watch your spacing, driver. Let's go, let's go. Keep that air flowing. We can't afford another stall. Check the coolant levels before we roll out.
These winterized trucks face the gauntlet of the Arctic convoys, a crucial lifeline to the Eastern Front.
All right, lift it steady now. Clear on this side, watch the line. We need that gasket now.
From military surplus to civilian workhorse, these trucks proved their mettle long after the war ended.
The camera tours displays showing manufacturing innovations developed during wartime, improved assembly line techniques, quality control systems.
This is a pneumatic rivet gun. It secured the metal plates onto the truck chassis, just like they did during the war.